Hey guys, so we are here today with the hybrid install. We're going to be doing a full sew-in and then a couple of tape extensions at the top. As you can see, her hair is on the shorter side, so we're doing the hybrid install just to give it more of a seamless look. We're going to add the tape ends at the top, and this is going to help her short hair blend in with the install. We're consulting with her to see how she wants her install to lay. It's nothing worse than you getting an install and your hair either on your face and it's bothering you, or it's not on your face enough. So you always want to make sure you consult with your client, make sure if they like hair on their face or kind of off of their face, and then go from there. So my camera didn't get the whole braid down, but you guys get the point. We did a full braid down and I added a net. I usually don't like nets, but her hair is on the shorter side again, so the net is gonna help her install last a little bit longer. So we are adding 3 bundles of our exotic curly bundles. We're gonna sew her hair completely in. This hair is everything, guys. So we're done with the sew-in part. We're gonna add a 26-inch bundle, well, a half a bundle of the tape extensions. This is a full bundle that I'm showing, but we'll probably only use maybe 5 sandwich pieces, which will be 10 pieces altogether. You guys can purchase all of our extensions and tools on our site. It's in the description below. Make sure to check out our website and check out all of our amazing textures. You're bound to find one texture that matches your hair perfectly. We're blowing her hair out in preparation for a trim. So one thing you guys have to know is whenever you're wearing a weave, it's a must that you trim and shape the hair. You cannot put an install in and just get up and go and think it's gonna look good. You wanna make sure that it's blending with your hair and the ends are trimmed. Just like you have to keep your natural hair trimmed, you have to do the same thing with the extensions. So every install, I always make sure to trim it and shape it up. Now watch her little leave out disappear into this install. When I mean literally, I am in love with this hybrid install. It just blends so seamlessly. We're adding a little bit of Nairobi foam just to enhance the curl pattern. We're gonna put her under the dryer for about 15 minutes. I don't usually like for them to completely dry under the dryer because it dries a little bit more, not flatter, but just not as full. So we let most of the hair dry under the dryer for like 15 minutes or so, and then the rest we let air dry just to give it that volume. So she just finished her 15-minute bid under the dryer, and whoa, look at that blend. You cannot tell her that's not her hair. I just love seeing my clients happy. You cannot tell that she came from literally 3 inches to this install. Usually you're able to see the short hairs. You can tell that her hair is so much shorter than the extensions, but with this hybrid install, because of the tape ends that we added at the top, you can't tell where her hair starts and where the extensions stop, which gives you a 100% natural look and makes people think that this is your hair. So this concludes the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see more of, and thank you guys again for always watching and supporting.